This is going to be your almost personal reading, All Science Collective. Welcome to the channel. This is going to be for your next 72 hours. All that you need to know about your person, your soulmate, where things are going, their feelings, intentions, their actions, and what can you expect for the next 72 hours. Okay, so let's start. First, we'll pull a few cards for you, and then we move to your person, just like always. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Right now, with Three of Pentacles, slated few of you, I believe quite recently you guys might have heard from them or seen them or been in some bits of communication. Okay, top card we see is Fool. I'm also getting a message that if there is a third party which you know about or got to know about, then for many of you, I see that you guys are moving in a different direction. I do not mean walking away, I mean in a different direction. Okay, one more card in terms of what's going up with you. I believe you guys are keeping up to yourself, okay, regardless of the situation. With the Sun card, I see you moving forward in life. Nothing is holding you back. You guys have been listening to your intuition, your inner voice, and it's been guiding you rightly. Okay, with Six of Swords, many of you guys are trying to just stay away from anything and everything that is going to cause you problems. Okay, so in terms of what else do we see coming up for you? With the Moon card, however, in the coming days, there might be some doubts that pop up, okay, some question marks, and that might kind of get you a little off track for a while, but it won't cause you major trouble. It might trigger you a bit, like certain something might pop up, certain someone might tell you something, and that might kind of make you question a lot, okay. In terms of your business, what's going on? In terms of your finances, I see you moving forward, looking forward, things going good. In terms of your family life and otherwise, okay, family life and otherwise, things might be a bit off track. Okay, not looking very good, but it is not bad either. It's somewhere in between. Okay, in terms of your connections, connection, I believe with Eight of Cups, you guys have walked away or staying away or trying to just live at a distance. Okay, with Page of Wands, there was some bit of communication. I'm getting that vibe. If there's been no communication whatsoever, at least you saw their picture, post, that kind of made you feel in a certain way. Okay, one more card in terms of how is your person thinking about you. Okay, we have Queen of Swords in terms of the energy towards you. Star card. So this person has intention of talking to you. Howsoever, I still see them kind of being in some bits of communication with someone else at the very current moment. So your person isn't completely single or completely focused on you. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you. Feelings, we have Page of Pentacles. Regardless of how old the connection, your person keeps messing up things, right? So right now I still see them being interested, wanting to talk, wanting to have contact, or wanting to maintain contact. Okay, top card we have is Three of Swords. Howsoever, because of a third party, lot has changed. Okay, their love for you isn't the same like it used to be always. It is more like I like you than oh my god I love you crazy. No, it's more like I like you, I like you. Okay, in terms of their heart space, in terms of the heart space, to be very honest, their heart space is blocked. Okay, they definitely involved someone, okay, emotionally, not just physically, emotionally, which kind of messed up a lot of things in your life. Okay, right now they know that they have hurt you bad, and that is the reason why you guys are silent or you guys are not on good on good terms. Okay, in terms of their hate space, in terms of the hate space, they definitely want your attention. Okay, if you ask me, are they in love with you? I'd say that they are kind of feel that attraction, but emotionally they are closed off. Okay, in terms of what do they have in mind right now, Right now, with the Hermit card, this person is looking forward for a friendship rather than a connection or a relationship. They want to start with friendship. I'm not saying that they're just going to friend zone you and keep you that. No. They are wanting to start on a friendship note where they want to know you better, get to know you better. They are a bit curious about you at the same time. So they are wanting to know you better before moving things forward or jumping forward. Okay. In terms of their major intentions towards you, major intentions, we have eight of swords. This person is wanting clarity from you, whether you are dating someone, whether you're open with them, whether you're trying to just stay friends with them. They want more clarity. Okay, with strength card, for now this person is trying to possibly get an idea as to where things are going with you. Okay, the six of pentacles, they are not going to give you much. Okay, I'll be very straightforward for the next 72 hours. I do not see a person like easily giving in. Your person might also be stuck in a situationship with someone else, which they still have loose ends to get clear off or possibly walk away from. There are still some loose ends that are still left around that connection. Okay, I very much feel like your person isn't completely focused on you. They have something going, or they had something going which they have to end. Okay, so they might want some help from you as well. Okay, they are going through a lot right now, and your attention could help them kind of feel good. Okay, one more card. We have the Emperor card. So this person isn't going to offer you much. I'm getting pretty much getting the same energy where your person is still wanting to control as to how much they say, what to like what they say and how they come up, or how they come off against the connection, how they possibly present themselves, in terms of their interest towards you. They want to control everything. They want to come up in a certain way. Okay, with Five of Cups, trust me when I say this, they do miss you, but I still do not see a person having any sort of intention as to getting back and working things out, and just like hugging you, kissing you, just wanting to spend some the next 3 4 days with you. No, I'm still getting a very controlling energy from their side. Okay, in terms of what can you expect. What can you expect is still the same fucking closed off person, okay, who still has that weird devil energy. When I call them a devil, I call them that because they cannot stay loyal to one person. They're going to fidget around, they're going to mess around, they're going to just want to involve one and two here because they love attention so much. Okay, they might have shit for you, but someone who has shit for you should be loyal to you, right? Someone who has shit with you needs to stay focused on you, wants to build up with you in terms of relationship, moving towards marriage. But this person is messed up. Okay, this person has always been like that. Okay, and they have always stayed open to attention. This person might also have had problems with getting over their exes. Even if things have turned very bad between them and their ex, they still maintain some bits of contact, and it always gets in the way. Okay, if it's not an ex, if it's a close friend who kinds of manipulates them, but they're in contact with someone that is still getting in the way of this connection. Okay, one card for how do they view you now. Okay, they know this has ended with you and you have changed a lot. You are not the person that they once knew, or that they once manipulated and used so much. With Knight of Swords, they also know that you're upset. You have been waiting for answers, and you are triggered, but you are not showing that. They know it. Okay, in terms of why are they back? What's the major purpose? King of Swords, this person wants to talk to you. Okay, they are kind of wanting to share something with you. Okay, they might also want your honest opinion about something. Okay, one more card. With the Tower card, they are going through a lot right now, and they might really need your help. Okay, I believe something has happened or something has ended in their life which has caused them major chaos and drama. Okay, one more card in terms of What do they want with you right now? With Five of Cups, they definitely might want your attention. With Five of Cups, they might also feel sorry for what they have done to you in the past. They are realizing it. Okay, they are going through a lot right now, sleepless nights. So they might really want your attention. They might really want you to comfort them. Okay, which is not required by you. Okay, everyone who goes through shit should be healing on their own. No one should be relying on someone, be it a friend, a parent, or a lover, or ex-lover, someone who they hurt. Someone can hurt you, go towards someone, something else, get hurt and come back, and then need your comfort. That thing is pretty messed up, right? You don't deserve to be going through that shit. Okay, you need to know your worth. Even if this person comes to you for comfort, know that you don't have to do it. Okay, they have put you through shit, then they went towards something else that messed up, and that pretty much fucked them up, and now they're coming back to you to possibly feel good. So think about it. Okay, now there are many again that do not know their worth. They are like, I need love, I need this person, regardless whether they like me, love me, do not like me, are not attracted to me, it doesn't matter. I just want this person back. Darling, you need to go through a lot of healing. If you're in that energy, you don't need tarot, you need counseling. Okay, you can't just want someone for the sake of it because you are feeding your ego that this person finally wants me. No, you have to want someone that gives in equally, that is balanced with you, that is wanting to build something with you, that is wanting to look forward with you. Okay, towards anything, the connection, family, whatever it is. But if someone is just coming towards you for attention, and then you're wanting that same person to hold on to you, um, that is pretty messed up. Think about it. Okay, I'm not trying to simply hurt you. My messages are very straightforward, very raw. I don't polish them, I don't sugarcoat them. I'd like to keep things this way. And for many people who are new to the channel might be like wondering what is wrong with me. Okay, but yeah, one more card in terms of where things could be going for the next 3 days. For many of you, this person will start giving you hints that they are interested in you again, for just the reason that they want you to take them seriously. Okay, if you are ignoring them, if you are just not giving them the attention that they are wanting, then they might give you an idea or a plan that this might end up something positive. They might want something long term, just for the sake that you take them seriously. It's pretty manipulative. Okay, what do you need to know about this person? Ace of Swords. Right now, this person is wanting to speak the truth with you. That right now they're wanting to share something with you. Right now they're wanting to talk to you. Okay, how it's going to be going for you people? How are you going to be taking it? Okay, I think it's about a relationship that fell apart, or some connection, or some situation, or some business, or some family. But they have something to share about either a relationship, either family, or either their business. Okay, with Queen of Pentacles, it's majorly about someone, I'd rather say. Okay, it's for many of you, almost 40-50% of you, it's about a connection that has fallen apart. Okay, in terms of what are they willing to offer you now? See, again, I'm getting the same message. They still want to hang on to you, still keep you strangled, still keep you waiting, still keep you stagnated. Okay, one more card in terms of what's the final outcome going to be. Final outcome, nothing. You guys are going to end up getting into some conflict because of whatever things that they say or do. You're still going to want this person to act in a certain way, and they're not going to act. Okay, top card we have is the devil. They are still having that same messed up energy. You need to stay away from this devil, darling, regardless of what label you consider this person: twin flame, past life, soulmate, whatever, godly, whatever you call it. Regardless of the label, know your worth enough to stay away from everything and anything that is going to cause you uh, unnecessary pain. Okay, lesson is one thing, but going through the same shit over and over again, that is messed up, and you don't need to do that. Do that. Okay, even if it's a twin flame connection, unless you need unless you love yourself, accept yourself, and know your worth, you're going to keep repeating the same cycle. That is you chasing them running away, them choosing someone else over you, you repeating that all shit all over again. You're just going to do that same thing over and over. Unless you know your worth, you hold yourself back, you start working on yourself, you understand yourself, you understand the journey. Unless that's been happening, you're going to do the same shit over and over again. Okay, so yes, with Ten of Pentacles, for many of you, I see some new offer coming in besides this person. If you believe in destiny, I see a new person coming in for you. The person is going to be very, very attractive. So, this person will definitely get your attention. Okay, this has the potential of leading something positive, someplace positive. So, yes, let's take love messages. Still mess, be calm, at peace, listen to your inner voice. So I believe this person is still a mess. Okay, stillness is the message, but I read it as still mess because of the reading. Okay, be calm, at peace, listen to your inner voice. I am about to make the move, so your person want to tell you that they are wanting to make a move. Okay, second message we have for you. I want to talk to you where you miss you. I want to talk to you where you miss you. So many of you guys will get communication, but it's not because of you, darling. It's rather because of them, because they are wanting sometimes. They are wanting a comfort. They are wanting a that place which can make them feel good. Okay, crossroads. Which direction should I go? So your person is definitely still at crossroads. Still pretty much the same energy. Okay. So yes, this is going to be a reading. Please consider hitting the like button if it resonates, because that's how I grow, darling. If you people are going to keep coming back, watching and going, the channel remains the same. Okay, I need to grow, I guess. Okay, so if you feel that this was worth it, hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you know the channel, subscribe. If you want a personal reading, go to my website and book one for yourself. I have 10% less off. So yeah, thank you so much and hope to see you soon, guys. And know your fucking worth. You deserve better.